Good day to my viewers and subscribers. Today's just going to be a short video. Sorry, I've got my electric heater running in the background there. I'm going to be replacing the right side, or that is passenger side, low beam headlight. I'll just show a quick picture here. Today is, oh, I forget the date here. Let me just first do this. So there's the driver's side, and there is the passenger side right there is not working there. And so that will be, I'm going to be replacing that. And let me just turn that off. And I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be replacing it with. Let me just show you here the so this is the passenger side here. There's a little round cover there, and it says, I don't know if you can make that out, lock, and then an arrow to the an arrow up. So that is clockwise is lock, and so therefore you go open. So you go counter. Just take this and go counterclockwise. Okay. And it says open counterclockwise. I believe the driver's side is the exact opposite. So when it stops, then you can just pull it out carefully there. Actually, I think I have some silicone grease there on that rubber O-ring there. So we'll just put that to the side there. And the bulb in question is going to be right there. H11, and you just well, this is fairly intuitive. There's a little clip there. Just put that back a little bit there. As you see, it already came out. And let me see if I can actually remove this. You just take that clip right there and just very gently pry it up, and there you go. Yeah, I've got some grease on that. Let me just get this out of the way here. Or I should say some dielectric grease. We'll just, sorry for getting my hands in the way there. Let me just get this out of the way. This connector out of the way so we can actually do something here. And remove this bulb. Okay, and I believe this just turns counterclockwise a little bit there. Yeah, probably about 45 degrees or 90 degrees. Just pull it out. Obviously they say don't touch it, and you can see it. It's actually well, let me turn the light off here. Can I turn the light off here? No, I can't. But anyways, you can see it's kind of it's broken there. So let me just take this over to the bench here. Now this is actually a replacement that I bought. I bought these lights here. These here, the Silver Star Ultra H11s. I bought them, I just looked at my receipt, November the 15th of 2015. So they're just a tad over 3 years old. And these are the original ones that came with the vehicle there. So I'm just going to put one of these back. And then once the other one goes out, the other side goes out, I'm just going to buy a pair here. But yeah, it's the date was let me just see if I can get the date here. Oh, I can shut off the light, I think, like that. Okay, there we go. I think the date was this happened yesterday evening when we were out, and I think that was December the December 15th. Anyways, I'll come back in the next shot there and I'll have the exact date there. So I'm just going to put back one of the old ones there. So I'll be back in the next shot here. Yeah, okay, so back again here. So today is Sunday, December the 16th, 2018. So this was yesterday evening that this happened. So I just wanted to show you this. So this is the Silver Star Ultra there. It gives you a little bit of a wider, brighter light there, but they don't last as long. These are completely street legal. They don't blind the oncoming viewer because it's just a regular halogen bulb with the standard 12.8 volts at 55 watts. And right here on this, this is the Sylvania Ultra here. I don't know if you can see that, made in Germany, and it's 12 volts, 55 watts. Now you can see the original one that came with the vehicle. You can't see this, but on the green there, you can't read it out. It's very light, but it's a Philips, and it says 12 volts, 55 watts. So knowing I didn't want to increase the wattage because I don't want to fry the wires and I don't want to blind oncoming traffic. So we're just going to walk over. And of course, when you're doing this, gloves and safety glasses are a must. So we're just going to take this over. I believe this is an H11 bulb there. It's a single filament. Let me just turn on my light again here. Okay, there we go. And you just slide it in here. I think you can see that right there. I mean, it really only goes in one way. Those tabs, just line those tabs up there. And I kind of forgot how this came out. I think it was like this. I think it was like this. I think it was like this. Anyways, I don't want to bore you here because you can't see this anyways. You just put it in and very carefully okay, sorry, I know you can't see this. Okay, so I'm just farting around with this. I don't want this video to turn into an hour-long video here. So maybe I might just come back in the next shot and just tell you how it was positioned because I didn't make a note of that before I took it out. Okay, you just have to fart around with it a little bit here. That's how it goes in. That's the position there that it goes in, and then you just turn it until you feel it locking right there. So there you go. That's the done position or the lock position there when it's pointing downward like that. And then you just plug it back in, throw back that cover. So that's it for the replacement here. Maybe I'll just show a quick pic just to verify it's actually working there. Okay, so there's the everything put back to place. I didn't show the installation there. I mean, it's really straightforward. You just reverse of removal there, and yeah, just make sure it's in there tight there, and then we'll slowly come back here and just turn the lights on there, and hopefully that should work. I just crashed my door into my trailer here. And yeah, voila, we've got there you go, we have a working passenger side headlight there. So that's it on this video. Appreciate everyone who watched this video. Thank you very much. I thank my subscribers and my viewers. And if I don't post another video before this new year ends, I would like to wish all of you all the very best in 2019. Thank you for watching.